Most products that we buy are manufactured products. So manufacturing engineering gets into each of those different areas. And what we teach here, the controls and the electricity and so forth, applies to any industry that you may be in. We get into electricity and electronics. We get into a little bit of drafting and drawing, blueprint reading. We get some into machining and all the different manufacturing processes. So all that together gives us the entire scope of manufacturing engineering. We certainly feel like that we get them to the point that they have the beginnings of master craftsmanship so that they can understand what they're doing and how to go about accomplishing the task at hand. Every week we have one or two different industries that come in asking in one way or another to partnership. Then we tweak the teachings that we plan around what the customers, which is industry in our area, will need. We teach them how to define and identify a problem and what to do to correct that problem so that they've got the knowledge base and a little bit of hands-on experience so that they can go into industry and have the knowledge to start being a productive employee within any industry.